Hey there! In this video, let's understand how to record and play a test suit with visual screenshots. Let's create a small test suit to understand it. Click on Record and select New. Give it a suitable name. Once you started recording, fill in the necessary details. If you want to capture a screenshot of a specific area, the visual screenshot option in the side panel is at your disposal, allowing you to document exactly what you see on the screen. The screenshot is automatically captured at the time of playback. After taking the screenshot and submitting the details, you can continue with the remaining actions. As you fill it out, if you need to capture the entire form, simply use the full screenshot feature, which makes it effortless to take a full page capture. Once you have recorded the actions, stop and save the recording. Now it's time to play back the recorded action. Click Play and observe how your steps are replicated. You'll see how the visual screenshot captured the specific areas you wanted, and as the form is filled out, you'll witness each step exactly as you performed it. If at any point you want to pause the playback, simply click Pause. This allows you to resume from where you left off whenever you're ready. Additionally, if you need to manually interact with the form or adjust, pause the playback, complete the manual task, and then resume seamlessly. After the entire playback is done, you can easily fetch a report summarizing the process. Let's take a look at the report. Here you can see the visual capture, and this is the full screen capture. So let's try it out.